Here's how to install the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and running the latest version of iOS. Unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Type Messenger in the search bar and press Search. Look for Messenger by Meta. The developer should be Meta Platforms, Inc. This helps you avoid fake or copy apps. Tap Get or the download icon. Confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch Facebook Messenger. Log in with your Facebook account or continue with your phone number to start chatting. And that's it. You've successfully installed Facebook Messenger on your iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone and app tutorials.